Hi guys, it's Karen and
Jaden.
we're going to read a book about feelings. Sometimes we feel happy. Sometimes we feel mad. Sometimes we feel sad. Sometimes we just feel grumpy and we don't know why, right?
Yeah.
This is a book about a bird and he's called Grumpy Bird. Was Bird feeling grumpy, Jaden? Do you want to find out why? Do you want to know what he could do to feel better? Okay, let's do it. It says, do not disturb. He's grumpy.
That's.
Oh, sit down. Here it comes. Ready? When Bird woke up, he was grumpy.
That's the circle. That's the circle.
That's the sun. That's a circle sun. Was Bird grumpy? Yeah.
That's one.
He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today, said Bird. Here, sit down, Jaden. Here's the next page. It says, Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking, said
Look,
Bird.
look,
It's
look.
no fun.
Look, that's a cow.
That's a bunny rabbit eating a carrot.
Why?
I can use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Ready, Jaden? Here's the next page. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? Looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hand, said Bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking, guessed Beaver. I love walking. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg. The other animals stood on one leg. Did they follow Grumpy Bird, Jaden? Yeah. Does Bird look so grumpy anymore?
Yeah.
Does he look grumpy or not so grumpy? Does he look happy now?
Huh.
I wonder if he's feeling a little better. It says, Bird jumped, and the other animals jumped. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Does he look grumpy or happy?
Happy.
Happy. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. And they did. Uh-oh. Do you think they're very excited to eat what Bird likes to eat? Oh, no. Birdies like worms, but these guys don't like worms. And they say, no, thanks. He's so silly.
No.
And that's the end.
The snake.
Can you ask the friends, Jaden? Can you say, sometimes do you feel grumpy?
So grumpy.
I do too sometimes. It's okay. We feel better, right? Yeah. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.